Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Motorola. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose System. Following that, you need to click on the Gestures section over here and tap on one-handed mode. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to scroll all the way down and click on this gray sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then choose OK in the pop-up, and to access one-handed mode, click on this little shortcut. As you can see, after that, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, click over here or swipe up. You can even move your shortcut by holding it and dragging it wherever you wish to. In order to disable it though, go into the same settings and tap on the sweater again. If you are using gestures though, I need to change my navigation quick to show you. You need to access the same settings and tap on this gray sweater next to use one-handed mode. Then follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of your screen. So when I do that, I need to make sure that full screen interage is on. Then swipe. And now one-handed mode is on. You can go back the same way. In order to disable it, tap on the same no blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!